Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today I will explain layer properties and styles. Let's begin. Let's start. The layer has various items such as anchor point, position, scale, rotation, and opacity, and these items are collectively called properties. Click the triangle button of the layer to expand and display the properties. The properties in the transform include anchor points, position, scale, rotation, and opacity, which are used to change the shape of the layer. Each property can be displayed only by pressing the shortcut key with the layer selected. Anchor point, shortcut A, serves as the reference point for layers. An animation such as movement, scale, and rotation is performed based on this point. Drag the number on the right side of the anchor point property to move it vertically or horizontally. Position, shortcut P, manipulates the position of the layer to be placed in the composition panel. You can also move the position by dragging the number here. Scale, shortcut S, allows you to zoom in and out of layers. You can also zoom in and out of the layer by dragging the number. Rotation, shortcut R, allows you to change or rotate the angle of the layer. You can rotate the layer by dragging the number here as well. Opacity, shortcut T, allows you to change the opacity of the layer. You can also make the layer transparent by dragging the number here. As the items of properties increase, it becomes difficult to see, so remember the shortcut keys and make good use of them. The shortcut keys are basically the initials of the property name in English. You can apply a variety of effects to the layers of After Effects called layer styles. Drop shadow, bevel, and emboss are effective, and it is possible to apply multiple layer styles to a single layer. To apply the layer style, right-click the layer and click the layer style you like from among the layer styles listed. To delete the layer style applied to the layer, you can select the layer style you want to delete and then press the delete key on the keyboard to delete. Also, to delete the layer styles, select the layer style of the top layer and press delete to delete them. You can temporarily display or hide the layer style by clicking the eye-shaped button on the left side of the layer style. Next, let's actually apply various layer styles to see how the layers change. Color overlay will fill out the layer with the color you specify. Red is selected here. Apply stroke to layer. You can change the width or the color of the stroke in the property parameters. Apply drop shadow to the layer. You can also adjust the color and density of drop shadow with the property parameters. Apply outer glow to the layer. You can also adjust the brightness of the light using the parameters of the properties. This concludes the explanation on layer properties and styles. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.